Hello, I'm Mac. Recently, many people buy this 14C, but some people don't know how can maintenance this machine. So today I will show how can we first time we will change engine oil and air filter. So first time I will show how can change the engine oil. When we do the maintenance time, we need to make this machine on the ground. So we only use 12 ring dolly is okay. We use this 12 ring dolly. This bolt some tight. Before we lose this bolt, we use this bolt to receive this old oil. So be careful the environment. We need to give some power support to loose this bolt. Before we open this bolt, be careful. This bolt have one washer. So here have one washer. Be careful. This engine oil around 800 milliliter. So here is oil dipstick. It's yellow one. Here have two lever. It's H means it's high, not over here. Low, not low to here. In the middle side is best. I think here is port to add the engine oil not easily. So we use the paper is to support. Will be easily. So we use this paper is to support to add the engine oil. Engine oil is 10W40 is okay. After we add engine oil to check. Here is for air filter. Because of some environment, we need not if you dirty or some like sand, we need to always keep this air filter to clean. So we sometimes just to check this air filter. They have two bolts tight this air filter. So this is air filter. This America brand engine, so this engine have best quality. Also, it's powerful engine. After all is clean finish, we check this carburetor. Check this gasoline. Yeah, it's good. Now, our engine maintenance already done. We open left side cover. This totally 4-piece bolt. You can see inside have the hydraulic system, also swing motor, soft starter, fuel tank. This is suction pipe from hydraulic tank. This one is for pressure to the main valve. After you half years or 1 year's work, we need to change the hydraulic oil and hydraulic filter. We open this flue cover. After we can take this cover. After we open the full cover, we can see the hydraulic filling port. Here can fill in the hydraulic oil, the 46. If you want to change the hydraulic filter, we need to open this round 6-piece bolt. After you can change the hydraulic filter. Also here is hydraulic lever from here. You can check the hydraulic lever. The middle side is best. Not low here, not up to here. In the middle side is best. Especially our swing motor, they have the overflow pipe. After you long time working, they will be not heat. Also a swivel, also have the overflow. Overflow pipe means it makes the machine sometime inside it's not make the system the overheat. Also this machine have the relay, means when you close the machine key, this old machine also close the battery is off. Here is battery. Here is hydraulic cooler. After you working, this cooler making the system keep the temperature not high. This machine will fill in the standard diesel. 16C and 18B, 20C, we have the heater. So before start, use the key to the left side. Will be the engine will be heat. Also, some location need to change the diesel. So I will show you. Show how to change this diesel. Let's use number 10 Allen key. We open the downside, have one bolt.